skin is so tea, baby. This skincare routine is eating down. I'm gonna do my face routine.
So what all you use again now?
I use
You use
content.
Oh, perfect. I should have known.
Okay, so if you want to be pretty without makeup, you need this. No, I order my stuff off TikTok Shop.
See the light is on. Just the pictures. These days are too, girl.
I'm done. I am done. I know that's right though. She laughing at her content.
I want to get blowfish.
I ain't doing all that.
This lip gloss you could put on and it plumps it.
Mm-mm.
You done took my pictures.
Say hey.